Hey everyone, this is Daniel from AngelDAO. In this series, we're going to walk through how to write a server in Rust that collects analytics from Streamflow Finance, which is built on the Solana blockchain. For this series, we're just going to be using Rust, so that's the only technology you're going to need to install. Everything else is going to be in the form of crate. So obviously, we're going to be using Rust. We're going to be using the Solana Rust client, which is just a client to interact with Solana blockchain written in Rust, and then Actix, which is a great framework for writing servers in Rust. So before we get into looking at the code, I just want to mention all of this will be on the GitHub repo, so you'll have a chance to look at the README, check out all the links, and see the code there. So to start, let's look at the main.rs file, which is the only file that has code in it. And this is our server. So this is it. As you can see, it's pretty minimal. Here's where we're essentially creating our server. So yeah, it's pretty simple. That's why I really like Actix. It's very minimal. And you can see we're going to be running the server on localhost 8080. And our server, you'll notice, has this .service chained method, and that is in reference to index, which, or it's getting past index, which will be ran whenever the route query gets sent an HTTP GET request. So that logic within index will be executed whenever that route is hit, so to speak. And yeah, the hit query will basically show up in the terminal, and res will be the response that we'll see in the browser. So let's go ahead and run the server. Just do a cargo run. Server started. So now let's check out the browser. Let me just change the route so we can get a fresh, let's get a fresh start. So cool. So you can see it's working there. Oh, and you'll be able to see in the terminal that we're getting the hit query printed out there. So that's pretty much the end of this video. I wanted to keep it really simple so it'd be easy to follow along. So yeah, again, all the code will be in the GitHub repo. And yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one.